Hey everybody, today we're on chapter 4, multiplying fractions. The objectives here are you'll be able to multiply whole numbers and fractions and mixed numbers by mixed numbers. Okay, so right here we have 3 times 1/3. So the first step here is to put our whole number right here over 1. Multiply it by the second fraction. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. And when we simplify our answer, it's going to equal 1. All right. You're going to try on this one, hit pause right here, try it out, and then hit play whenever you're ready to see the answer. All right, guys, so your answer should have been 1 and 5/7. So look at my work here if you have any questions, if you got it incorrect. Look to see where you made your mistake, okay? All right, next up, we're going from a mixed number to an improper fraction. So right here we have 7. Oops, sorry. Let's erase this really fast. We have 7 and 6/8. So to go from a mixed number, which is what we have here, to an improper fraction, which is right here, okay? We have to multiply our denominator, which is 8, by our whole number, and get 56. And we add our numerator, which is 6. So our new numerator, or top number, is 62, and we keep the same denominator, which is 8. All right, we'll have you try, hit pause, hit play when you're ready to see the answer. All right, guys, my answer was 53/5. I multiplied 5 times 10. Added 3, got 53, and I kept my same denominator, which is 5. All right, I'm going to have you actually read this together, okay? So we have 3 1/3 times 6 2/5. So before we multiply mixed numbers, we have to change them to improper fractions. So I'm going to multiply here, add here. So 3 times 3 is going to be 9, plus 1 is 10. So we have 10 over 3 times, same thing over here, 6 times 5 is 30, plus 2 is 32. So 32, keep the same denominator, which is 5. So now we're going to do 10 times 32 on top and 3 times 5 on the bottom. So we can do 3 times 5 right now, which is 15. Okay? 10 times 32, whenever you multiply by a power of 10, you just add a 0 to your other number, which is 32. So this is going to be 120. All right, we need to simplify it into a mixed number. So 15 goes into 32. 21 whole times. Okay, 15 times 21 is 315. So it leaves me with 5 as my remainder over 15. Now we can simplify 5 over 15. We divide by 5 on top. Divide by 5 on bottom. Okay, so our answer is going to be 21 and 1/3. Okay, now you could have just simply divided 320 by 15 like this. And solved it like that, and you would get the exact same answer. I can just do it on a separate sheet of paper, which is the exact same thing, okay? All right, you're going to try this bad boy. 2 1/3 times 9 and 5/6. Try it. Hit play when you're ready to go. All right, guys, so if you did that correctly, your answer should be 22 and 17/18, or 17 over 18. All right, same thing here. We have 4 2/3 times 6 1/4. So we're going to multiply here, add here. So 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Keep the same denominator over 3. Times 6 times 4, which is 24, plus 1 is 25. Keep the same over 4. Okay. I'm going to simplify. I'm going to cross simplify here to get some smaller numbers here, okay? I can divide 4 by 2 and get 2. I'm going to divide 14 by 2 and get 7, so it's some smaller numbers. So I have 17 times 25 over 3 times 2. Okay? So 25 times 7. It's going to be 175 over 6. All right, so let's divide that up here. Okay, that goes in twice. Subtract 12. 6 goes in 55 9 times. Minus 54, that's 1. Remainder 1. So 6 goes into 175 29 whole times. The remainder of 1 over 6. Okay? All right. On this one, I want you to change each mixed number to improper fraction. So pause the video and see if you can do this bad boy on your own. All right, guys. So for our 5 1/6, it's going to turn into 31 over 6. For 11 2/3, it's going to turn into 35 over 3. And for 9 6/7, it's going to turn into 69 over 7. Remember, we multiply the denominator, then add our numerator, 69. Keep the same denominator, over 7. Okay? All right, good luck. Make sure you copy all these notes down. Watch this video as many times as you think you need. And I will see you next time in class. Good luck. Adios.